How to fix profile picture failing to upload on Badoo. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if our profile picture is failing to upload on the Badoo app. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. If your Badoo profile picture is failing to upload, you have to start by ensuring that your app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. So go to your Play Store or your App Store, make sure that your Badoo app is updated to the latest version, and before that you also have to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Now, you can try to log out of the app once by coming to your profile page, tapping the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and simply try to go to your account information and log out and log in back again to see if that actually helps you solve the problem, because sometimes that is also going to help you solve the problem. If you're using it on Android, you can just long press the Badoo app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to our app information page, and from here we can go to storage, we can clear the cache files and we can clear the data, and after that we can see if that helps us solve our problem. Hopefully one of those may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.